Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a beautiful photo collage in just 8 simple steps. First, let me show you how to get started. You can either create a blank design or pick from one of the many pre-made collage templates and customize it to your liking. You'll find the Upload section in the Edit toolbar on the left. Go ahead and upload all the photos you'd like to include in your collage. After your photos finish uploading, just grab them and drag them right onto your canvas. It's that simple. Want to enhance your images? The Edit Photo option lets you add filters and make other adjustments to really make your photos pop. Here you can fine-tune each image by choosing from various filters, or manually tweaking settings like brightness and contrast until they look just right. Now comes the creative part. Resize your photos by dragging the corners and rearrange them on the canvas to create the perfect layout. This is where you can really personalize your collage. Add decorative elements like text, shapes, or stickers from the sidebar to give it your unique touch. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Share button at the top right to download or save your finished collage. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create stunning collages from start to finish.